Colaz Smith's secrets behind his YouTube television success. If you haven't yet subscribed to Colaz Smith's YouTube channel, now's the time to hit that button. His engaging content and unique approach have made him a standout in the world of YouTube television, inspiring countless viewers with his creative hustle. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on his latest videos, packed with insights and entertainment. Let's dive into the secrets behind Colaz Smith's remarkable success, exploring how his strategies and dedication have built a thriving online presence. Colaz Smith, a South Carolina-based multipreneur, has carved a niche in the YouTube space through his innovative approach to content creation. His journey began over a decade ago when he stumbled upon the print-on-demand (POD) industry, sparking a passion for designing unique, conversation-starting t-shirts. This creativity translated into his YouTube channel, where he shares his entrepreneurial journey, offering practical tips for aspiring creators. His authenticity resonates deeply, fostering a loyal audience that values his transparency about successes and challenges. By focusing on a specific niche, POD and entrepreneurial insights, Smith ensures his content is both relatable and actionable, a key factor in his growth to over $120,000 in annual revenue from his ventures. Consistency is a cornerstone of Smith's success. He adheres to a disciplined content schedule, posting regularly to keep his audience engaged. This aligns with advice from YouTube experts who emphasize that consistent uploads, ideally weekly, build viewer trust and boost algorithmic favor. Smith's videos are strategically planned, often batch-produced to maintain quality without sacrificing frequency. His ability to deliver value, whether through tutorials on POD platforms or motivational business advice, keeps viewers returning, reinforcing the importance of aligning content with audience needs. Another secret lies in Smith's optimization of his YouTube channel. From a professional profile photo to a compelling channel description, he ensures his brand is polished and inviting. His channel art reflects his content's essence, entrepreneurship and creativity, while a featured video introduces new viewers to his mission. This attention to detail, as experts suggest, helps establish credibility even with a small subscriber base. Smith also leverages links to his other platforms, driving traffic and creating a cohesive online presence that amplifies his reach. Engagement is at the heart of Smith's strategy. He interacts with his audience through comments and social media, building a community that feels connected to his journey. This aligns with the principle that video content fosters trust and relatability, allowing viewers to form a bond with creators. By sharing personal anecdotes and practical tips, Smith makes his audience feel like collaborators in his success. Finally, Smith's focus on passion-driven content sets him apart. His enthusiasm for entrepreneurship shines through, making his videos compelling and inspiring. By combining education with authenticity, he taps into what makes YouTube channels thrive, offering value that resonates. For aspiring YouTubers, Smith's journey underscores the power of niche focus, consistency, optimization, and engagement, secrets that anyone can apply to build their own success story.